Unlock the power of batch processing and elevate your video editing game. Stick around, because this could be a game changer for you. First, let's dive into what batch processing in video editing actually means. Simply put, it's an automated method to apply multiple edits to several video files at the same time. This streamlines the whole editing process. Second, let's talk about common uses. You can convert video formats, add watermarks, trim or crop clips, adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation, add audio tracks, and encode videos to suit different platforms. The applications are vast, and the benefits are significant. Third, what software should you be using? Choices like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro offer robust batch processing features, giving you flexibility and powering your editing. Fourth, wondering how to start? Select the video clips you want to edit, choose the edits to apply, set your output format and other settings, and then simply start the batch processing. It's as straightforward as that. Fifth, let's discuss tips and best practices. Create presets for common edits to save time. Always test settings on a few videos first. Make sure you have ample storage space. And don't forget to back up your original video files. Sixth, who benefits from batch processing? YouTubers can quickly add intro and outro graphics. Video production companies can encode videos for various platforms. Educators can trim instructional videos for quicker uploads. Businesses can maintain consistent branding by adding logos. And event organizers can format videos for different platforms and devices. Seventh, if you're looking to deepen your knowledge, plenty of resources are available. Software tutorials, online courses, books, and video editing blogs are great places to expand your skills. Eighth and finally, why should you care? Batch processing saves you time and ensures consistency across your video content, making your output look much more professional. Don't miss out on leveraging the power of batch processing in your video projects. Remember to subscribe for more insights and feel free to share your own batch processing experiences in the comments. Thanks for watching.